In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the many features of WebStarts, and that's the ability to create a survey using the WebStarts form builder. So you can find the form builder in your WebStarts account, and for this demonstration, what I've done is I've created just a short 3-question survey using the WebStarts form builder, and then I've placed that survey on my website. So here you can see I ask 3 questions. Which course did you take? Did you complete the course? And are you interested in taking another course? And then I provide some different possibilities for answers to each question. And what people can do is come there, of course, and just say yes, no, maybe, whatever, fill it out, and then they can submit that form, and then it'll show up in my WebStarts back end under the notifications tab, as well as get an email. So here you can see I have a notification somebody filled out a form on my website, and then I have the answers to those questions that I asked on my form that appear right there. So let me show you how I did that in the editor. Now that I'm in the page editor, you can see that I've added a text box here that says take the survey, but now I want to add my survey form to my page. So I click add, and then I click contact form. That opens up the form builder, and from there what I'll do is use the multiple choice fields in order to create my survey. You can create them from the onset like I just did, or you can create them as you go along. Once you've added one of these multiple choice fields over here in the preview panel, you just click on it, and then you can change things like the field label. So here I'm going to ask my first question, which was which course did you take? And then where it says choices, I'm going to provide the answers to those questions. Now that I have the answers to those questions, I drop down to my next field, and then I'm going to repeat the process, starting with changing the field label to a question. And since this is a yes and no question, what I'm going to do is actually provide the yes and no answer choices, and then I'm going to delete that third field. So keep in mind you can delete or add fields just by using these little icons to the right of each field. Now I'm ready to create my last question. I drop down to my choices once again, and then I just fill in my content. I'm now ready to insert my form onto my web page, so I do that. And now all I need to do is drag and drop it into place. I also want to change the color of my text to make it have a little more contrast versus that background gradient. So I'm just going to use the color fill tool and select white as my text color. Now I'm all done, so I'm just going to save those changes. And then I can click on View Site to view my live site. Now once all of that form data is submitted, you can find it by going to your email address or by looking at the dashboard where, once again, that notification comes in with the answers. So you'll get an email and the notification here. There's also one other place that you can check to see if your form was submitted and check on the data, and that's just by choosing to edit the form itself and then going to the form settings tab and then clicking view submissions and then choosing the date range that you think that form was possibly submitted. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to find out when we release a new video. And also ask your questions and leave your comments below.